Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, once again, children, boy, girl, animals, aliens, insects,
Right, so at the same time, the center, what number are you looking
and
at?
everything in between. Creatures from around the universe, rich, poor,
Before you go about that,
living in a house, living in a room, living in the, living in a, living anywhere. So, what is going on today? What is going on in the world? You know what's going on in the world? No one knows. There's so much stuff going on. There's war going on. You know the wars? Like the Second World War, where they persecuted religious groups. The religious groups they persecuted throughout history. They persecuted all kinds of religious groups. They did all kind of atrocities, but no one knows about these. What type of evil they do, like torture, like gas chambers, experiments, and they do many things unheard of. Like no one talks about these things because it's just because that's the way it is. But you can hear about these things, like what's going on in in those dark places. So in those dark places, those people, they're like devils from hell that came here to cause trouble, and they those devils are able to do like atrocities unheard of. You can hear about them, and they're able also, they have like some smaller beings from hell, like Satan, like smaller ones. They can do also stuff, but they won't go to extremes. They'll just like take you out of your position. Yeah, I heard this. I read this somewhere. So they take you out of your position, right? So if you're trying to go to heaven, no, they want you to go to hell. So they'll push you towards their direction and they'll deceive you. Just think of what they could do. Just think about it and you'll know already. Just think about that. Think about that in Christmas. And then think about that for Christmas. That's like for just a thought. Okay? So their goal is to, like, your goal is to practice your religion, but their goal is, no, they tell you, stop practicing your religion. Stop practicing your religion, or else we will put the entire city inside of a jail. All right, that's what they'll do. So they'll do small things. Start small. Like tell somebody, oh, don't eat, don't drink tea. It's bad for you. Oh, drink milk. It's good for you. So just say one small thing. That's what devils do. They say small things, but they have a bigger goal. Just or wear these type of shoes, or wear glasses, oh do this. It's like I tell you, do push-ups, go to the gym, go to school, or I can tell you um, the opposite, like fall fall down the steps, or like hit your head on the wall, or put your tongue in a frozen pole. So just think about this. All right. All right, peace. Think about this. We'll see what happens. Peace.